Okay, introduce myself. Dea Musdalifah, NPM 2202040000.
Hello everyone, my name is Indah Kumalasari, my NPM 2202040011. Okay, we will the we will be presented the material about portfolio. Okay, the one's material, concept, function, and purpose of a portfolio. A portfolio is a purposeful collection of student work that exhibits strength, growth, areas for improvement, and understanding of the learning process. It serves as a dynamic record of a student assessment, reflection, and progress over time. Function 1. Assessment. Portfolio provides a comprehensive assessment of student learning going beyond traditional tests and quizzes. 2. Communication. The They facilitate communication between students, teachers, and parents, promoting a shared understanding of student progress. 3. Motivation. Portfolios can enhance students' motivation and self-direct direct learning by allowing students to take ownership of their learning. 4. Reflection. They encourage students to reflect on their learning experience and set goals for future growth. The next, purpose. 1. Documentation. Portfolios documentation a student's learning journey. 2. Demonstration. They demonstrate student understanding of concept and skill. 3. Self-assessment. Portfolios help students assess their own progress. 4. Communication. They provide a means for students to communicate their learning others.
Okay, next, scheme types of portfolio assessment. First, process portfolio shows learning stakes and profits records of student development over time. One form of process portfolio is a working portfolio, which is a form used to monitor progress and assess students in managing their own learning activities. Second, product portfolio, a form of portfolio assessment that only emphasizes mastery of the tasks required and competency standards, basic competencies, and a set of indicators for achieving learning outcomes. An example of a product portfolio is a display portfolio, show portfolio, and documentation portfolio. Okay, third steps in portfolio assessment. First, the tutor briefly explains the essence, essence of portfolio assessment. B. The teacher together with the student determines the types of portfolio that will be made. C. Students either alone or in groups, independently or under guidance the teacher completes a learning portfolio. D. Teachers collect and store student portfolio in appropriate place accompanied by notes on the date of collection. E. Teachers assess student portfolio using certain criteria. B. If possible, the teacher and student discuss the resulting portfolio document together. G. Teacher provides feedback to student on the results of the portfolio assessment.
Design a portfolio. 1. Purpose. Determine the purpose of the portfolio. 2. Contents. Select the type of work that will be included. 3. Organization. Develop a system for organizing the portfolio. 5. Reflection. Provide opportunities for students to reflect on their learning. 5. Presentation. Create a visually appealing and informative presentation of the portfolio. Uh, key, key consideration when designing a portfolio. 1. Student involvement involve students in the decision making process. 2. Authentic text. Use authentic text that reflect real world application of learning. uh, Multiple form assessment. Incorporate a variety of assessment methods. The next, regular feedback. Provide ongoing feedback to students.